Hey guys, what's up? So 2 weeks in the top best search tweets, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called YouTube Rounded. Simple tweet around the thumbnail corners on the YouTube app. Tweak also narrows the thumbnails in the main view. This tweet is called YouTube Reborn. It's a YouTube customizer. This tweet is called Plus for Instagram. Must-have tweet for Instagram. It's a lightweight, all-in-one tweak crafted to enhance and unlock Instagram's full potential. For users, you can do many things that you can't do before Instagram with this tweak, including the ability to stalk persons without them knowing. So you see unsent direct messages, comment translations, focus mode, clean experience, media downloader, watch story or live without them knowing, story video editor, copy comment text, various confirmation, low data mode, show total likes and views, add unlimited accounts, full resolution profile picture, disable quick reactions, unlimited media replay for direct messages, and disable type-in status for direct messages, disable message marked as seen in direct messages. So pretty cool. You do a bunch with this tweak. This is called a kaleidoscope, and it's limitless color customization. iOS 13 takes advantage of iOS 13's new UI color setup in order to theme colors in a super efficient way. It also makes collection of different colors much easier, meaning anyone can make their own color style. This is called Juice. Unparalleled battery customization provides users and designers the ability to customize every aspect of the iOS battery, including extra options to the status bar. So, a fully fledged editor with massive amounts of options, creating almost infinite possibilities, and aims to place no limitations on the designer. Juice styles also saved in a simple juice format can copy between juice or packages, devices or packages into a deb to share with anyone. So, that's what it looks like. This is called Notchless. Blacks out the back of the status bar to hide the notch. This is called Marker, and add iOS full support as promised. So what this tweak does is a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. So it's a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. It's an alternative to trackpad and modern alternative for swipe selection. This is called Agent Camera, and have you ever wanted to shoot and record without everyone noticing? If you're an intelligence agent, you need objective evidence. This app fulfills that desire. So what it does is that you can record while on Google, so you kind of trick somebody that you're recording them, but you're really, when you're like, why are you recording me? You show them your screen, it's Google, you're like, okay, never mind. But you really are recording them. So it's a secret way to record somebody. It's an alternative to Sneaky Cam. So I still prefer Sneaky Cam, but this is also a great alternative to that. This is called Stop Revoke. Stop Revoke, no need a trust certificate profile. Open up the app, which I was 11, 12, 13, 14. So this stops revokes. This is called Stop Sugrec. So no suggestions and recent apps. This is called Dress, and customize your lock screen with one tweak instead of needing multiple ones. This is called Translo. Let's say your translate tweak. So it can make your life easier chatting with foreigners. Lets you basically translate the text in these apps right here. Supports iOS 12, 13, and 14, and it's completely free. This is called Kira. It's iOS 14's indicator dots for iOS 12 and 13. Depending on what dot you see, that's what's being used. This is called Violet. So it all work with your current playing song with more errors than just the music app itself. This is called Among Lock. Make your passcode screen look like the reactive task in Among Us. This is called Artsy, and it's supposed to be a music player with some color. Allows you to use your music now playing artwork to color the backgrounds of different now playing views. This is called Color Badges, and colorize your badges. This is called Watermelon, and watch OS inspired lock screen images for iOS 13. This is called Wasabi, a minimalist clipboard manager integrated with the keyboard. This is called Badge Bar. Also, most of the tweak, Create with Love replaces these stock ugly badges with the badge bar. This is called WA Delete Messages. Delete messages after it's sent in WhatsApp so the contacts cannot see it again. So if it's not working, you just got to downgrade it to a version that is working for WhatsApp. This is called Easy YouTube. Ports VLC gestures to the YouTube app. And the last one is called Flitz Roulette. For Netflix, pits a random episode from your favorite shows on Netflix for iOS. Support iOS 8 to 14, and through the Netflix 9.x.x through 13.x.x version. It was testing the latest version of Netflix 13.14.2. which this tweet just came out, so it's actually making this video. So if not, if it's like past that, if it doesn't work, just gotta downgrade this tweet to those versions of Netflix that's working. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So shuffle, and you guys actually play a random TV show, or a movie, I believe, or just TV show. But you guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.